Okay, so let's start with one. Okay, I need a new page. Okay, question says here two identical sphere. This is a standard question, yeah. You will solve it. Certain distance in air, repel other with force F. Another uncharged C. This is standard question. I guess you know this, right? There are two spheres and one uncharged will come and first it is placed at A, then B. So what is the force experienced by C? That's it. The standard question. Contact A and then contact B. Spheres A and B. The force experienced by sphere C will be so what could be the answer? Aditi has joined. Super.
Just a minute, I'm doing it.
Yeah. These are like standard questions. This came in your like what do you say, board exams also. So what shall we do here?
Sir, is the answer 3F by 4?
It is option number B. Option B. It is 3f by 4. Yes. Aditi, what about you? Are you able to get this? You want me to solve?
Yeah, sir, I haven't revised this list.
Okay, no problem. See, whenever this thing comes, right, it is uncharged body. Now, uncharged body will come in contact with charged metal sphere, A and B. So what will happen? They will divide the charge. Whatever they have, total charge, it will be divided between them, shared between them. So first, when suppose A is having charge Q and B is having charge Q. They both are having, because they said identical metal sphere. So both charges are same here. So when C uncharged body comes in contact with this one, it will divide as Q by 2, Q by 2. Now C has Q by 2. Now B has Q. So Q plus Q by 2 divided by 2. It will become 3Q by 4. Now first charge is Q by 2 and next one is 3Q by 4. Now force between them, let's take here F1. Like this is in between C. They came in between C. This is your A, this is your B. F1, F2. This is Q by 2. This has total distance was R, right? So it is R by 2, distance R by 2. This is 3Q by 4. And C is also having 3Q by 4. That's it. So if we take F1 here, what we'll get? KQ square by 3R by 4. So KQ1, Q2 by R square. Use this formula, I get this. Same way, F2, KQ1, Q2 by R square. Get this. So both R and K are same, so it get cancelled. Or let it be common, whatever. So we want force experienced by C. So F at C will be equals to F2 minus F1. For Q square will be common. 3Q by 4 also common. Both has 3Q by 4, so we can take 3Q by 4 common. This has already 3Q by 4 because of this one C and because of this one. Let's take 2 and 3. 3Q by 4 minus Q by 2. Now, okay? Yeah, perfect. This is your new F. Now, if we don't have this F, what we'll get? F equals to K, Q1 and Q are same. So Q square by R square. Q square by R square. This is your actual force. So we can substitute this thing here and get the value. So we'll get answer. What did you say? Ritu, what's the answer?
3f by 4, sir.
3F by 4. ठीक है, Aditi, shall we go for next? Now 64. Hey, these are the standard questions. 64 conducting drops, convert radius this one, and this radius charge is flowing. It, what is this? This became like so many times, so I just okay, take it. Drops each of radius 0.02 meter and each carrying a charge of 5 microcoulomb are combined to form a density of bigger drop to smaller drop will be. When's the board exam ending?
Sir, 14th is the last exam.
14 March, right?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Fine. After this, April, we have 1 month. Okay, what to do here? Any idea, anyone?
Sir, is the ratio 4:1?
Yeah, it should be 4:1, I guess. This one, 64 conducting. Yeah, so 64 drops like that. It becomes bada Q as 64 chota Q. Is my audio clear? Can you hear me?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. See, for bigger, sigma is what? Q by 4 pi r square, and here smaller, Q by 4 pi r square. So Q for Q by Q into R by R the whole square. This is 64 into R by R is what? 4, so 1 by 4. 1 by 4 square means 1 by 16. 16 4s up, which is 64. Sorry, I'm sorry. Should be 4 by 1. So yes, your answer is correct. Aditi? You are able to understand what I'm doing here?
Yeah, sir.
Let's do one good question here. This is charge is distributed within a sphere of radius r volume charge density. It's given as A by square comma minus 2 R by A. A and A where A and A constant. Q is total charge of this charge distribution. So radius equals to dash. Okay, so what to do here? How we'll start? See, in short, what they are saying, charge distribution over the surface. That is, let me draw and show you. This is your charge sphere, and another one. Another sphere. R. dr. This might help. If you have taken dr, means what? We need to do integration. Option A log 1 minus, keep option like this. B R equals to A by 2 log 1 by 1 minus q by 2 pi a e.
So can you
Yes,
explain it one?
sure. Why not? Now, this is what charge distributed within a sphere of the radius r. When volume charge density, this thing is given a condition A and A constant, Q total charge. So this is what, if we take a small area, what we'll do here, we'll take a small part of it. Okay, then we will revolve around whole portion. Small part, we will revolve around whole portion. So for that, we need to find first charge distribution. Q. Q is a charge, total charge. Integration of dV, pdV. Now that it is given already, A by r square. So what will be the limit? What can be the limit here? Till where it is going? Limit we can find from the question. Can you tell me what will be the limit? It says this charge is distributed over r radius. So we need to find radius r. So from question itself, we can find the limit. So it is 0 to r. A, what is it? R square E minus 2r by r. R square E minus 2r by A or r. Okay. Now dV means 4 pi r square into chota, that is dr. So all this, we got it. 4, this A is constant, 4 pi is constant, r square gone. We're left with minus 2r by A. Now we cannot take this as a constant. Minus 2r has E has some power there. Power minus 2r. So integration with respect to r. So 4 pi A integration with respect to 0 to r e to the power minus 2 r by A dr. It will give you same e to the power A divided by that constant. Limits will be r by r. Anything integration of e to the power x will be e to the power x. Now e to the power ax will be e to the power ax by A. Same as sign. sine cos 4 pi a e to the power minus 2 r by a divided by minus 2 by a. Limits r to 0. So then remaining thing you can finish. Minus a by 2 e to the power minus 2 pi by a. अरे यार pi कहाँ से आ गया? 2r by a. This will become, no, r will be capital. I'm so sorry. So anything or e to the power 0 is 1. And this 2 and this 4 will get cancelled. So we are left with minus. If we send this inside, it will become 2 pi a. What option we have? Okay, we need to bring out r. A e to the power, sorry, 1 minus e to the power minus 2 r by a. So to bring out this one, we need to use log 1. So this will be division. This will go in division. And this will become 1 minus log a. I'm sorry. So 1 minus, who is having 1 minus? Yeah. Q by 1 minus 2 pi a. This means what? 1 by. So this is also 1 by. Minus 2 r a. That thing we can write later also. It's okay. This is 1 by. So it will become 1 by of this one. 1 by of 1 minus. So which option is this? A by 2. Option D should be the correct. No. B is also same. Sorry, not this one. 1 by, no? So 1 by means this one. B. See this one, it has A by 2 and we also have A by 2. Yes? Any problem? Any doubt?
No, sir, got it.
Got it? Aditi? Aditi, are you able
Yes,
to
sir.
understand?
Yes, I got it. No doubts.
Okay, super. Now this is easier. I hope so. Because after writing question, we might get stuck. Plane sheets of surface density sigma minus electric field, right? So two charged infinite plane sheets of uniform charge density sigma plus and sigma minus, where sigma plus is greater than sigma minus, intersect at a right angle. Which of the following? Okay. अरे बाप रे, diagram थोड़ा difficult है. There are so many lines. I'll just draw two. Kindly bear with that. Check the direction, okay? Give your answer with perfect reason. X-axis, all x-axis are sigma plus. This is sigma minus. All y-axis are sigma minus. So bolo, what could be the answer?
So I'm confused between B and C.
Which two? Which two you are having in mind? Tell me. Let's make 50-50 option.
B and C, sir.
B and C.
Sir, is it B?
Why B and why not C? Bolo. Yes, good. If right or wrong doesn't matter. You will think, then only you'll get some ideas to solve. Bolo, bolo. Why you think B and why think C? Ritu, why you said B and C option you have? Tell me. What is your thought? What are your thoughts? Can you hear me? Mhm. See, first thing we can see from this line, the right angle following best representation, intersect at right angle. Okay. Sigma plus is greater than sigma minus.
Sir, I think it's C. Like the
They're at
charges, they form uniform charge all over there. So yeah, not B. I think it's C.
okay. Say again your reason, like because your voice was breaking.
So like there's this uniform electric field, like charge all over the thing, like all over the plane. So I guess it's C.
Okay, fine. Ritu, what's your reason? You didn't give me a reason.
It was the same as Aditi told, sir, but I was confused with B and C, both of it. But after she clarified,
And
yeah,
sir,
it's
also the positive density, like the positive charge density is like larger along y-axis, so maybe yeah, it's C.
Okay. Yeah. Nice. Both of you gave correct. It should be correct. Now, what I thought of this, what I thought this one, almost similar reason, but little bit like I'll give you some extra information. Like, see, first thing, what I saw, it is uniform, as you shared. Yes, it is uniform. Okay, so in this one, like others, we see those are like non-uniform. Now here in this case, plus sigma, as in question also, has bigger magnitude. That is in negative side. So if I take this point on this one, so if I draw it here, okay, so like if I take some minus sigma here and plus sigma here, so if I take some points like those electric field, so resultant electric field here, same way resultant electric field in this direction. So we can say yes, okay, option C should be correct. We'll do some further more question for tomorrow, and tomorrow is your laws of motion, as I already posted. Did you check the test?